topic is conversion of states of matter. Okay, conversion of states of matter. Okay, conversion of states of matter. So what are the states of matter? Matter classified into three states: solid, liquid and gas. So first one is solid, second one is liquid, and the last one is gas. One more thing, if you find any problem to see this board, is there any shining or anything else, so just pay attention what I am telling you. With the written work I am also dictating, so you listen very carefully. Okay, then you will get no problem at all. Okay, now the conversion of states of matter classified into three states: solid, liquid and gas. And now see, this is the conversion from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. Now again, gas to liquid and liquid to gas. Okay, see, there is a matter of energy, matter of heat only. There is a matter of energy either be extracted or absorbed. Okay, if energy is absorbed, then it will increase the temperature of any object, temperature of any state. And if energy is extracted from something, means it is departed, it is taken away from any state of the matter, then it will decrease in temperature. So now, when solid is heated, means if you are heating something, it will acquire some energy, then it will get heated. You can feel that hotness of the body. So solid can be converted into liquid by the process of melting. If solid converts into liquid, that is the process of melting. Okay, solid convert into liquid by the process of melting. See, for example, you have taken one ice cube, and if you are giving some heat to ice cube, then it will melt and give you liquid, means water. So that is the process of melting. And now liquid gets heated and convert into gas. That is the process of vaporization. That is the process of vaporization. When liquid gets heated to convert into gas, that is the process of vaporization. You have seen lots of the time in kitchen, when you are boiling some water, it just it gets heated from the fire and then convert into gas. Okay, now the next one, when gas is converted into liquid, that is the process of condensation. You have seen pressure cooker. When water is boiling inside the pressure cooker, it will convert, that water will convert into vapor, and that vapor at the top of that cover, that pressure cooker cover. And now when you just open that pressure cooker and you will take away that cover, that pressure cooker cover, then it will get cooled and convert in liquid. Vapor convert in liquid. Vapor convert in liquid. And now liquid become solid by the process of freezing. By the process of freezing. See, you several times you have taken water and put in the freezer, then it will freeze and become ice, means solid. Okay, so this is known as freezing. So solid gets converted into liquid by the process of melting, and liquid gets converted into gas by the process of vaporization. Gas is converted into liquid by the process of condensation, and liquid is converted into solid by the process of freezing. Okay, so melting, vaporization, condensation, and freezing. Okay, here is two more cases. Here is two more cases when solid directly convert into gas. Solid directly convert into gas. That is the process of sublimation. Solid directly convert into gas. That is process of sublimation. See, here are the examples of solid to liquid. That is ice. Okay, liquid to gas, melting of ice. That would be much better. And liquid to gas, boiling of water. Okay, solid to liquid, melting of ice, liquid to gas, boiling of water. Now gas to liquid, cooling of vapor, and liquid to solid. What is liquid to solid? That is freezing of water. And the very last one, that is solid to gas. Burning of camphor. Burning of camphor. See beta, what is camphor? You have used in prayer. In temple there is something in white color when that lit up in front of that idols. So that burning of camphor, that is only solid which gets converted into directly in gas, not in solid. See, that is the series, solid to liquid, liquid to gas, but camphor is directly converted from solid to the gas. Okay, so these are the conversion of states of matter. See, okay, melting, freezing, vaporization, condensation, and the last one is sublimation. Okay, now let's revise the whole chapter in once. Okay, these are the topics we have covered in the chapter of, in your first chapter, that is matter. So let's revise. What is that? First one is matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and have mass. Occupies space and have mass, that is known as matter. You can for example, you can take any book, any copy, any box, anything at all. Okay, now the second one is composition of matter. As we know that, as we have already studied, that matter is made up of molecules, tiny particles. matter is made up of molecules. And what are the next one, what are the molecules? See, molecules is the tiniest particle which is made up of, when atoms are combined together, that will form a molecule. So if our question will be, what is the smallest particle of matter? That is molecule. Okay, now the characteristic of molecule, characteristic of molecules. See, molecules are the tiny particles, okay, and molecules are extremely small in size, very minute particle that we cannot see through our naked eyes. Even some of the molecules cannot be seen, or most of the molecules cannot be seen through microscope. Okay, now the matter particles have a space between them. Matter particles have a space between them, that is known as intermolecular space. Matter particle has a space between them, that is intermolecular space, and there is a force, there is an attraction force between the molecules, that is known as intermolecular force of attraction. There is an attraction force between molecules, among the molecules, that is intermolecular force. Cohesive force and adhesive force, both are the attraction force. Cohesive force and adhesive, both are the attraction force. What is the difference between cohesive and adhesive? See, cohesive force always apply between same surfaces, but adhesive force is a kind of attraction force which apply between two different surfaces. This one is for same surface, this one is for different surface. Now, states of matter is classified into 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so we have already discussed differences among these 3, solid, liquid and gas. You can rewind the video and see what are those differences among all these 3, solid, liquid and gas. Now the conversion of state, when solid gets converted into liquid, that is process of melting. Liquid gets converted into gas, that is the process of vaporization. When gas is converted into liquid, that is the process of condensation. And when liquid gets converted into solid, that is the process of freezing. This is the conversion, and this is all in your chapter. Now your homework is, I am providing you all the answers of the exercise in your physics chapter 1, that matter. Okay, and along with answers, I will provide you questions also. You can download from the download link, which I will give you in description box. Okay, so your first chapter is complete. I will take test at the next turn, or maybe at Saturday. Okay, so thanks for watching.